Are you just waiting for some type of inspiration to start work? Or you are just starting your work and then inspire other peoples that you have done something in your life? If you are just sitting and waiting for inspirations to come, then I'm sorry. You might not achieve the things that you want to achieve in your life. See, amateurs sit and relax and wait for some inspiration, motivation to work for them. And then they will start working on the things. But this is not how the life works. If you want to success in your life, to achieve success in your life, then you have to move forward without waiting from any inspiration. I said, why don't you inspire from inner self only? Why do you wait for the other people to inspire you? Get up, be inspired from inside you, not from the other circumstances. Because amateurs wait for inspire, and the other people who want to succeed in their life, they start working on the things, and their story becomes the inspiration for the others. So it is up to you. What do you want to do in your life? Do you just relax and sit and wait for somebody to inspire you, to motivate you, to tell you that you have to do this thing and push you around there? Or you want to become the person who starts working on the things, who others want to follow, they praise you, then your story inspires the other people to take actions to move forward. The decision is yours. It is up to you. So guys, people who are watching this video, I want to take a challenge on yourself. You take your challenge and do the things and start working on the things right now. Don't wait for any type of inspiration, any type of motivation, because the time span of that inspiration, motivation is very less. By the way, if you are inspired and if you haven't taken any action on that inspiration, then there is no way you will succeed, or there is no way that inspiration works for you. So until and unless there is an inspiration from inside you or a motivation from inside you, you will not go forward. Do let me know in the comments below what do you think about it, and share this video with your friends and family members who love to see motivation and inspiration and doing nothing.